Okay guys, I'm going to explain your project that is for the end of this unit. It's the command project, and you guys are going to do a how-to. So your how-to project, you can work in groups of 2 to 4 people. What are you going to do? You're going to explain how to do something using informal or 2 commands. When it is due on the 24th of October, where you can either do it in class, live in front of your studio audience, or you can do it by video. Why? Why are we doing this project? To practice our commands. And how? This project must be memorized. If your project is not memorized, you will get a 0 and be asked to do it again, memorized. If you do it in class, you have to memorize it. If you do it by video, you cannot read your commands. And I am telling you, it is obvious when you are reading in a video. It must be memorized. Okay. Props and costumes. You should have props and costumes to make sure that we know what you're talking about, okay? The how-to project. Every person must say 4 commands, 2 affirmative and 2 negative commands. On your rubric, on your project sheet that's in your packet, it says 3 commands total. That is not true. You must do 2 affirmative and 2 negative commands. All presentations, I just want to reiterate this, must be memorized. Sorry, my dogs. Okay, all presentations need to include props and or costumes as appropriate. Here's what you'll be graded on. Completion. Did you do the project? Did you memorize it? Did you have props and costumes? Grammar and accuracy. Are your commands correct? Pronunciation and fluency. Did you pronounce everything correctly? Is it fluent? Does it sound like you know what you're talking about, or does it sound choppy? Content and comprehensibility. Can I understand what you're trying to say? Does it make sense for your topic? And effort. Does it look like you worked hard to make this a good project? It's a pretty easy project, probably the easiest you'll have all year, so it should be good. Some example topics might be how to play soccer, how to be a nerd. I would be really good at that one. I could do a whole 30 command presentation about how to be nerdy. So that one would be easy for me. How to speak Spanish. All costumes, commands, props must be school appropriate. Do not come to school with a video of you wearing a bikini swimsuit. Nobody is allowed to do that in school. You are not allowed to do that on a video that you show in school. Okay, everything needs to be school appropriate. Commands, the vocabulary that you use needs to be school appropriate. So if you want to say how to have swag or whatever it is you guys say, make sure that all those things are school appropriate. And the last thing, but very important, please do not do a how-to project on how to make some sort of food, like how to make the perfect PBJ. We do not want food in this project. It is anything but food, because there is a food project later in the year, okay? So, just to recap, you're working in groups of 2 to 4. You are memorizing. Everybody's saying, every single person must have 2 affirmative commands and 2 negative commands. Okay, that is it. Gracias.